Hey guys, what's up? So if you're looking for this classic glitter dog filter on Instagram, okay, this is the effect. To get this effect, what you have to do, okay, make sure you are in Reel, then tap on this effect icon. Okay, it will be pop up. Now you can see a search button on the left corner. Tap there, and you can search here glitter dog. Okay, and we'll get this effect. Okay, suppose you can't find the filter like this from the search. What you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website, you see this effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, wait for it. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you on the next video.